Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest questions in cryptocurrency: Bitcoin versus altcoins. Which should you buy for 2025? Both have their advantages, and making the right choice depends on your investment goals. Stick around as we break down the key differences, future potential, and which might be the better buy in 2025. Plus, we'll share essential tools to help you track and manage your investments effectively. Look in the description below for links to the helpful tools I mentioned. Part 1. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin, often called digital gold, is the original cryptocurrency. Its main purpose is to serve as a decentralized, deflationary store of value. Strengths: Bitcoin's limited supply of 21 million coins and its proven track record make it a safe haven in the crypto world. It's also the most widely adopted cryptocurrency, with institutional investors increasingly backing it as a hedge against inflation. Weaknesses: Bitcoin is less versatile compared to altcoins. It lacks the advanced functionality of newer blockchains, such as smart contracts or scalability features. In 2025, Bitcoin is expected to remain the dominant force in the market, but that dominance has been slowly eroding as altcoins gain traction. Part 2. What are altcoins? Altcoins, short for alternative coins, refer to all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. These include major players like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot, as well as emerging tokens powering decentralized finance, NFTs, and Web3 applications. Strengths: altcoins bring innovation. Ethereum introduced smart contracts, Solana delivers speed and scalability, and Chainlink powers decentralized data. Altcoins often have higher growth potential, as they're tied to specific technologies and real-world use cases. Weaknesses: altcoins are typically more volatile and less established than Bitcoin. Many altcoins fail over time, so picking the right one requires careful research. In 2025, altcoins could outperform Bitcoin, especially in areas like DeFi, NFTs, and gaming, but they also carry more risk. Part 3. Bitcoin versus altcoins. 3 key factors to consider. 1. Risk tolerance. Bitcoin is the safer, more stable investment, making it ideal for conservative investors. Altcoins, on the other hand, offer higher risk but potentially higher rewards. 2. Diversification. For long-term success, consider a diversified portfolio. Holding both Bitcoin and a few high-potential altcoins can balance stability and growth. 3. Market trends for 2025. The crypto market in 2025 will likely focus on utility-driven altcoins in areas like DeFi, Web3, and gaming. Bitcoin, however, will remain the backbone of the market and a key store of value. Part 4. Which should you buy for 2025? Buy Bitcoin if you're looking for stability, long-term growth, and a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin is ideal for investors who want to minimize risks and hold an asset with strong institutional backing. Buy altcoins if you're willing to take on more risk for the potential of higher rewards. Look for altcoins with real-world use cases, strong development teams, and growing ecosystems such as Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot. For most investors, a balanced approach is best. A portfolio with 60 to 70% Bitcoin and 30 to 40% select altcoins can offer both stability and growth. Part 5. Tools to track and manage your investments. Whether you choose Bitcoin, altcoins, or both, tracking your portfolio is critical. Here are some must-have tools. CoinStats, the ultimate portfolio tracker for Bitcoin and altcoins. Connect all your wallets and exchanges to view your performance in real time. TradingView, analyze market trends and make smarter trading decisions with its advanced charting tools. Glassnode, gain insights into market trends and on-chain analytics to stay ahead of the game. Koinly and Zen Ledger, don't overlook taxes. These tools make it easy to calculate and report your crypto taxes, ensuring you stay compliant while investing in 2025. So, should you buy Bitcoin or altcoins for 2025? The answer depends on your goals and risk tolerance. Bitcoin offers stability and long-term growth, while altcoins bring innovation and potentially higher returns. Diversification is key. If you're serious about investing in cryptocurrency, check out the links in the description to explore tools like CoinStats, TradingView, and Glassnode to take control of your crypto investments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights.